If you are wondering what are the highest paying freelancing jobs or trying to determine which freelancing skills are most in demand right now, then this video is for you. Without wasting the time, let's discuss what are the highest paying freelance jobs. First one is copywriter. The copywriting skills. If you look at the upper top copywriters, then you will notice that they will charge around $20 per hour to $100 per hour. Let me show you the top of our copywriters. So these are the best copywriters. If you have a client profile on Upwork, then you can hire the best copywriters from here. These are the profiles of the top Upwork copywriters. Here you can see that the hourly rate of this copywriter is $50 per hour, $50 per hour, $95 per hour, $60 per hour. So most of the copywriters are going to charge from $20 to $100 per hour. Let me show you this profile, and here you can see that this is a top rated plus freelancer profile, and his hourly rate is $50 per hour, and his total earning is $90K plus, and he did 63 total jobs and 968 hours he worked so far. If you want to start freelance career, then you can start while learning copywriting. It is a good option if you want to earn a high income. There are a few different types of copywriters, but direct response copywriters have a highest potential income. Direct response copywriters focus on writing marketing materials because the words you write have a direct correlation to amount of money a company earns. Companies are willing to pay higher rates for the top tier work. Copywriting is one of the easiest freelance jobs to start. You don't need any specialized degree or technical background. Second one is software engineering. Programming jobs pays highest for the freelancers because it is a skill that is quite difficult to master, and there are not good coders out there. So the demand for the good coders is pretty high. Software engineering is the one of the highest paying freelance jobs. Developers can earn more than $200 per hour. As a software engineer, you can build mobile apps, websites, games, etc. It depends on your programming skills. Third one is digital marketing. Digital marketing allows you to earn highest income as a freelancer. Many areas are fall under digital marketing like social media marketing, email marketing, lead generation, search engine optimization. You can learn as many skills under digital marketing and apply for jobs and can start your freelance career. Fourth one is social media manager. As a social media manager, you can manage social accounts of multiple clients and can charge up to $2,000 USD per month or more depending upon the needs of your clients. And today's many of the clients are promoting their NFT, cryptos, etc. on social accounts like Twitter and Discord. So you can manage Twitter and Discord. As you know, social media management projects are long-term projects. So once you win any contract related to social media manager, it will run for a long term and you can earn more money. Fifth one is data analyst. Data analyst professionals can turn data into meaningful insights that business managers can act on. You can apply on data visualization jobs where you can turn data into charts and graphs. Data analyst jobs are also the highest paying jobs. You can earn more than $80 per hour. These are the best freelance careers if you want to earn a lot of money as a solo freelancer. Please do comment and let me know if you want to learn any of these skills. I will guide you from where you can learn these skills and start your career as a freelancer. I am constantly uploading new videos so that you can learn more and start your freelance career. Also, I have created a Facebook group for the new freelancers and also an experienced freelancers can join this group as I am getting many invites on my Upwork profile. So I will refer the jobs if I think you will be the best fit for that jobs. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you like it and please share your suggestions so that I can upload more videos. I can also provide you cover letter templates on your request. So please do comment if you need any cover letter template. Thank you. Thank you for watching.